Filters in Excel. Let us see how to apply filters in Excel. Filters are used to quickly find specific data, hide unnecessary information, analyze data easily, and work faster with large data sets without deleting or changing anything in the sheet. Let us take this data let us take this sales data to apply the filters. Filters option is available in Data tab, Sort and Filter group, Filter button. Shortcut is Ctrl Shift L or Alt AT. Whenever we apply filters on the data set, it turns on the filtering buttons. At the right bottom of each headings, there is an arrow mark that if you click, you will get this menu. Before we can apply filters, please observe this table. These 4 columns are of text data type. These 4 columns, based on the data type, filter will identify and give you some more options to apply, like text filters on value equal to so and so, or value which does not match, which is not equal to, or that begins with, ends with, that contains, that do not contain, and some other custom filters are there. Text columns, we have here text filters we can apply. This is the date column. We can apply date filters. Similarly, this column is numeric and we can apply some number filters here. Let us try to apply filter on this column, product. Deselect that all and select only the bag. Press OK. You will see only those records. You can observe the remaining records are hidden. Click on the filter and change the option. Click OK. If you want to see bag and charger all the products related to, all the transactions related to bag and charger, select those two, click OK. You will see that all. To remove the filter applied on the column, click on Clear Filter from Product. Let us apply filters on Salesperson column. Deselect all, select any one, for now Amar. Click OK. You will see only Amar transactions. We will now apply filters on both the columns. OK. Click OK. After selecting laptop, click OK. These are the laptop sales by Amar. Remove the filters on products column. Let us apply Amar transactions in Hyderabad. So in area column, apply filter, select Hyderabad. These are Amar transactions in Hyderabad. Let us try to apply conditions on 3 columns. Laptop sales by Amar in Hyderabad. There are only 2 such records. remove filter from all the three columns. All the filters are now removed. Let us see how to apply sort. The filter tool not only helps us to select the required records but also help us to sort the records. A to Z option. The icon here is now icon got changed to sort. These are now sorted based on product. These records are sorted based on product. Z to A is sorting it in descending order. To remove the sort applied, go to custom sort. There is an option delete levels. Click OK. Sort is removed. Table remains sorted even after removing the sort option. There are some records which are already formatted. Select filter, select sort by color, select the color required, green for now. They are sorted, so all the green records are on the top. To apply sort on multiple colors, go to sort by color, custom sort, add a level. Select the color, click OK. To remove the sort, go to custom sort, delete levels. Even after we delete the sort, there will not be any changes. The table remains sorted even after we remove the sort option. Let us see some more filter options based on data type. I am selecting here product column, which is text column. So we can see here text filters. Let us try with equals, where the product equals laptop. Click OK. Only the laptop transactions we can see now. To find out the transactions related, to find laptop and charger related transactions, I am selecting here equals laptop and equals charger. If I click OK, I may not get the right answer. This is not that I expected. It is OR. The transactions where the product is either laptop or charger. So here in this case it will show us both. This is the right way. Clear the filters from product column. Let us then apply on the other column. To remove the text filters applied, click on clear filter from product. Try the next one, product that begins with B. Click OK. Product that contains A in it. So charger, laptop, bag, all the products contain A in it. Contains Y. I am applying this condition on area column to find out all the areas that contain Y in it. Rangareddy, Hyderabad. To remove the filters, click on clear filter from area. All filters removed. To apply filter, we can as well use search box. Type its contents and you will see its records. Remove the filters from this column. So all the filters are now removed. Let us apply on numeric column. Because this is a numeric column, you will find sorting from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. For text column, it was ascending or descending. Sort. Records are sorted in ascending order. Largest to smallest. They are now in descending order. Sort by. If you want to remove the sort, go to custom sort, delete the level. Delete level. Click OK. Sort removed. The table remains sorted even after removing sort option. Let us try number filters. These are the options we can find in number filters. Number equals, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average, and custom filters. Let us try with number filters which are greater than. Let us try a number filters. Let us try a number filter greater than 2000. All these records have the amount greater than 2000. Between, greater than or equal to 2000 and is less than or equal to 3000. These records have the amount between 2000 and 3000 only. Top 10 records. So we will select top records. We have both the options, either top records or bottom records. Let us select top records. Top 5. We'll see only top 5 records for now. Yes, these are the top 5 records. To clear the number filters, click on clear filter from that column. Let us see now the date filters. There are many options. Date equal to, before, after, between, tomorrow, today, yesterday, next week, this week, last week, and so on. Many options are there. Let us try before a particular date. Let us see all the transactions which are before 31st August 2019. Between any two dates. Let us see the transactions which are on or after 1st Jan 2020 and on or before 31st March 2020. Yes. Based on quarter or based on the month. Let us see for a particular quarter. First quarter. The transactions in the month of January. There are 3 records in January. Try to apply filter on this requirement. The requirement is to find out Amar transactions in Hyderabad as well Akbar transactions in Secunderabad, both at the same time. Here it is actually not possible. For complex operations, we also have in Excel advanced filter option. Please watch my next video on advanced filter. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.